You might be wondering why your transmission is whining here, and basically, you're just figuring out a way to fix this issue. Well, there are a few things here that you may want to do. So, first thing that you want to do is you want to check the fluid level and condition. Now, look at the transmission fluid here. Low, dirty, or burnt fluid is the most common cause of whining. So, top it off if low, or plan for a full change if it looks bad. And also, you may want to perform a fluid and filter service. Now, if the fluid is old or contaminated, drain it. Replace the filter and refill with the manufactured recommended fluid. This alone often solves whining issues. Next is you want to listen for when the noise occurs. Now pay attention. Does it whine during gear changes, only in neutral, steadily all the time, or more with acceleration? Now each scenario points to a different culprit, like worn gears, bearings, or torque converter. Now, also you may want to inspect torque in converter and internal parts. Now, if the whining happens while accelerating or in drive, the torque converter, pump, or bearings may be fading. So these parts usually need a mechanic's inspection or replacement. Now, also you may want to check for electronic or software issues. Modern transmissions rely on sensors and transmission control modules or TCM, so faulty solenoids or outdated software can trigger whining or rough shifting. So scan for codes and updates. And also seek for professional help if it persists. Now, if fluid and basic checks doesn't stop the noise, well, let a professional mechanic do a full diagnostic here. Transmission repairs can be complex, and catching the problem early prevents bigger damage. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.